Okay, I'm going to solve a problem about deflection of trusses using virtual work method. This is the problem. Use the virtual work method to determine the horizontal and vertical displacement at joint E of the truss shown in the figure. This one, okay. Amon ang truss, and since unit load man, nakailahin dire, where I will apply a vertical unit load at E, and then for this one, I'm going to apply a horizontal unit load. Okay, ang ipangita dire, horizontal and vertical displacement na at joint E. Okay. So, I'm going to use labay-labay style in determining the forces due to real loads. So I will start with joints having two unknown forces. So I will start sa joint E. So sa joint E, if you analyze joint E, by the way, ang slope ani na member is kining BE is 10 vertical, 5 horizontal. So that's 2 vertical and 1. Okay. So kini member nga BE, ano siya component na yun, vertical and horizontal. So kini 6K i-balance mo na niya og 6 para 0, di ba? And then use ratio and proportion na yun. 6 divided by 2, 3 times 1, so 3 na siya. And ano, so ang mabalance aning 3 na yun is kining DE. So since left siya, right na siya. So therefore negative na siya, negative 3 or compression, diba? So balance na, okay na ni. Next is dali ko sa C. Okay, sa C maghapon na siya. Ang slope niya ni 2-1 maghapon. So ang mabalance sa 6 kini 6, di ba? Na rin ko yung horizontal component na yan. So 6 divided by 2, 3 times 1, 3 nila. And since pareho sila direction 9, so 9 nila. Compression, you have negative 9. Inana, okay? Next is I'm going to analyze joint D. Okay? So sa joint D, kung naka-compression niya ang 3, diba? E napakoy compression na rin na 9. Okay. So dayon narin ko yung slope dire na 10 o 10. So 1 o 1 dayon dire po 1 o 1. Now so naka-vertical and then horizontal, and then nasa vertical and then horizontal. So sige, kung mag-solve ka pwede ka magamit og lahi na method. pwede pag ka moagi dire na lang. So sa map kag moment sa A makuha nimo BY. Okay na yan. So inani siya moment sa map kag moment rin no. So nakay negative 6 mo na tanan. So imo lang kon ipang-add na nimo. Distance ani 6 is 5. Distance ani 6 is 10. Distance ani 6 15. And then distance ani 6 10. Kini na 6 times 10. So plus 10. Diba? Plus na yun. Reaction times distance 10t equal 0. Shift all 12 na. Okay. So pwede na dayon ka dire. Awa na to namantay 6 diba? Namantay 6 vertical lang. Vertical at i-consider ayan lang horizontal. Okay. Therefore 12 ni 6 ni 6 po ang vertical ani. Diba? 6 po para balance ang 12. So by ratio and proportion 6 over 1 times 1 6 ani. Diba? So anyway, makuha lang yun naman yun kay 6 no, 3 man 3, diba? 3. So mapariham na sila direction 9, so 9 bx equals 9. So therefore compression man na no 6 ni 6 with na. So kung balik to sa joint D, balance naman 0 na. Now obvious mo kay 3 man niya 6, so 9 man daan, so 0 na. So kung imo gini siyang i-analyze na nadala lang 18 minus 12, so 6 na. And then 6 man na tapos 9 ni 3 na. So para makuha ang mga values kuha na ito resultant kani 6 ug 3 square root of pwede na po i-divide nyo sige lang. Square root of 3 square plus 6 square, 3 square root of 5 no? So this is negative kini sa negative 3 square root of 5. And then this one 6 square plus 6 square, 6 square root of 2. Okay. Tapos kini 0. Okay na. Now, dire sige. Vertical unit load or for vertical displacement, dire ta vertical unit load sa A. Button dire let's assume na ang joint A will be displaced downward. Muna nag-assume ta nga downward atong 1. Okay, so when we solve for the forces, when we analyze joint C, wala naman kailangang force there, so 0 na 0 sad na. Wala naman kailangang forces. There, ayun. Same slope path to 1, so this will be balanced by 1. And use the same slope 1 divided by 2, 1/2 times 1, 1/2 na or 0.5. So therefore Kung 0.5 na 0.5 po ni. Negative 0.5. Yun na. Okay. And then okay, for this one, joint D. Sige. Analyze na ano eh. Solve natin eh. AY. Okay, so sa AY, we will sum up moment at B. So na kay 1 times 5. 1 times 5 minus RA times 20. Sorry, 20. Shift solve 0.25. Okay. 0.25 ni, ha? So, and then Canada yon is 0.75 kay 1 man. So, to solve for this force, ano na to niya? Dapat 1 niya. 0.25 pa na eh. Diba? Para balance. Kaya 0 man eh. So, balance na. 0.25. Ratio da yun. 1:1 man eh. So, 0.25 yun eh. Okay. So, ang reaction din eh. AX 0.25 also. Para mabalance yan. Diba? So, sige. 1 man yun, no? Kaya na, 1. Diba? So, niya, 0.75 ni. So, walang kaog 0.25 upward. Also, 0.25 ni. Diba? Para ma-add na silang duha, 1 na yun. So, ratio 0.25, 1:1 man eh. 0.25. Yan na. Dahil kinip 1 naman kay 0.5 man eh. So, ang hitabo 0.5 right, 0.25 left. Kulang ka o left na 0.25. So, BX 0.25. Balance silang doha. Diba? Okay, so magnitude ano da yun? Ra? Square root of 0.25 square plus 0.25 square. Square root of 2 over 4. Same po ni negative, ha? Negative. Sorry. Negative niya. Negative. Okay. Puro compression. Negative. Kinisad. Same na sila. Negative. Square root of 2 over 4. While this one, square root of 1 square plus 0.5 square. Square root of 5 over 2. Negative also. Okay. Kana. And then last, unit load sa vertical unit load sa horizontal load sa E. Because of this, kining 6 kips na force, it might be na ang joint A will be translated sa or will be displaced to the right. So let's assume na right na 1.0. Okay. So again, if you will analyze joint C, 0 na 0 sana. Okay? Dayon sa joint E, since wala tayo vertical, so inig balance ni mo 0 ni. Wala mo tayo line vertical. So 0. So kini 1 isa. Right man, so left ni positive na siya. Positive 1. Yun na. So next, we'll solve for the reactions. Okay. We'll start with AY. So to solve for AY, sum up moment at B. So ang pag-moment sa B, and then nakakainan 1 and negative 1 times 10 minus AY times 20 equal to 0 shifts of negative 0.5. Therefore downwards. Okay? So ito i-resolve. Downward na siya. Downward ng AY. So ang BY din upward kay sila raman duha. 0.5. Okay. So for the other members, sige, 0.5 din, no? 0 naman eh. So ang mabalance ano 0.5 is this one. Downward man eh, so upward eh. 0.5. And same ratio, 1:1. 0.5 siya na. Okay, so ang mabalance ano eh, dire EX. Right man eh, so left eh. EX 0.5. Yan na. Okay, kini 0 naman eh. Okay. Sa pikas nga side, 0 man eh, no? So, ang mabalance sa 0.5 is kini, no? Upward mo ni siya, downward ni 0.5, and then same ratio 0.5 sad na. And since 0 ni, ang mabalance ani 0.5 is kini BX. Right man ni sa left ni. BX equals 0.5. So to check external forces, 0.5 down, 0.5 up, so balance horizontal, 1 sa right, 0.5 o 0.5 sa left, so balance. Okay. So 0 ni siya nga member, 0 kinan dayon. So that would be square root of 0.5 squared plus 0.5. Square root of 0.5 squared plus 0.5. Square root of 2 negative tension eh, compression eh. So square root of 2 over 2 and negative square root of 2 over 2. Okay, so ano siya, no? Check na to again, na compression, 0, compression, sorry, tension eh. Okay, plus ne plus and compression, tension, compression, tension. Okay na? Okay, sige. There in the table, alphabetical task starting sa joint A, members connected EC and ED. So you have EC and ED, and then B doon, BD, BE. So you have BD and then BE. Tapos sa C, you have CD, and then you have DE. Okay. Kine, force due to virtual load, vertical. So, kine, no? So, EC is 0, ED is negative square root of 2 over 4. BD, positive square root of 2 over 4. BD, negative square root of 5 over 2. CD, 0. DE, negative 0.5. Okay? And then N horizontal, this one. EC, 0. ED, square root of 2 over 2. And then BD, negative square root of 2 over 2. BE is 0. CD, 0. DE, positive 1. And then force tutorial loads. EC, negative 3 square root of 5. ED, 0. BD, negative 6 square root of 2. BE, negative 3 square root of 5. CD, negative 9. DE, negative 3. Length dayon, ang length sa EC is 5 og 10 square root of 5 squared plus 10 squared. 5 square root of 5. Ana ED, 10 og 10 square root of 10 squared plus 10 squared. 10 square root of 2. BD is same sa ED, 10 square root of 2, while BE is same sa EC, 5 square root of 5. CD is 5. DE is 5 also. Area, same lang. You have 6. And then E, 29,000. 29,000. Okay. Ang N is unitless. Ang N keeps ha. So, makancel na siya sa KSI. Keeps. Tapos, per inch squared o inch squared. So, makancel lang kung yun sa denominator. L na lang na yun. Ang L na to is in feet man. So, ang unit na to sa delta dire will be feet. No? Okay, makancel. So, para medyo paspas gamay, N times L over EE. Magamit ako kon kini calc lang para mas paspas. So, expression na to ano ta? A, B, C, D, E. No? So, alpha A, alpha B, C, alpha D. Ano ta? So, kining A na to virtual na force, kini force due to real loads, length ni area, tapos E na. Calc ta para medyo paspas. So, calc ta. Of course, 0 ni. Vertical man yun. So, dito itong gamiton. So, 0 at L, 0. Inana. Tapos, naman tayo N dire, 0 na sa ne. Okay, N times N man. So, 0 na. So, ang naalang is kini. So, eta, ano ito? Square root of 2 divided by 4. B. N na yun. Negative 6 square root of 2. Kini, na? C. 10 square root of 2. D, 6 E 29,000. Oh, nisa. Negative 2.4383 times 10 negative 4. Kalak na sad. Dali na punta. Negative square root of 5 divided by 2. N negative 3 square root of 5. L 5 square root of 5. D 6. E 6. Positive 4.8191 times 10 to the negative 4. And then calc A negative 0.5. N negative 3. L 5. D same. E same. Kaya na lang 4.3103 times 10 to the negative 5. Okay, and then sa pikas kini horizontal, no? So 0 n times n and 0 kini okay kana 0 and then so dito calc A negative square root of 2 divided by 2. Ang n na to negative 6 square root of 2. Okay, yun length 10 square root of 2. Area same 6 is. Okay, so you have 4.8766 times 10 to the negative 4. And then last kinina n horizontal, so you have 1 negative 3 and then 5 6 29,000. Okay, it's negative 8.6207 negative 5. So next is i-add na nato. You have negative 2.4383 exponent negative 4 plus 4.8191 exponent negative 4 plus 4.3103 exponent negative 5. Ano is 2.812 exponent negative 4 feet. Okay, and then times 12 da, and then nata delta na sige na 0.00337 inches. So positive man siya, therefore downward, and then there 4.8766 exponent negative 4 plus negative 8 or dito na lang minus 8.6207 exponent negative nara 4.0145 exponent negative 4 feet times 12 kaya siya 0.00482 inches. Positive man, so right. Mao ni ang solution sa problem 1. Ay review na to. N times N, negative, positive, na value, tapos negative 0, positive, negative. Okay, so sige, problem 2 is this. Sorry, okay. Problem 2. Money ang problem 2. Okay, use virtual work method to determine the vertical deflection at joint B, rotation at B, and horizontal displacement at C. Okay. So, mao niya itong frame. Kuha na itong reactions ano eh. So, solve the vertical niya. Ayan na lang. Tapos, kinis. Okay. Resultant. It's 20 times 5, so 100. Sige, sa pag-moment din rin. So you have negative 100 times 1.5 minus 100 times 2.5 man eh, di ba? Plus 3, 5.5. Minus niya, plus reaction alpha x, distance nito is 8, equal to 0. Shift solve 87.5. Apa? 87.5. Okay. And 200 na yun. 200 minus answer, you have 112.5. Okay. 5.5, 1.7 divided by 800. Ito ba? 100 times 1.5 plus 100 times 5.5 divided by 8. So yun. Okay. And since we don't have a horizontal na external force, 0 sa this. In the horizontal component say 0. So to use virtual work method, ato ni pangkaan o components. So ngayon na nito. And muna ito theta karon. Now ang slope nato kay 4 vertical, 3 horizontal man. Di ba? So natay nga 4 on 3. And this is our theta. Okay. So sige, theta ni, and then theta sa nila. So same also theta din theta. Kaya nga naman pag theta ni, this is from the vertical, this is 90 minus theta. Na 90 man so na dili theta para 180 tanan. So next is kuha na to components kana, and then this one same also sa 100. So ang ato theta, cosine of theta is 3/5 or 0.6. Okay, 4 og 3 man na siya. So, bali 5 siya dayon, di ba? 3, 4, 5. Cosine sa theta, 3/5.6. Cosine man kini nga component cosine. So, that would be 112.5 times 0.6. 67.5. While the other one, 112.5 times 0.8, have 90. So 100 ayon, 0.6 ni so 16 and this one is 80. Okay. Next is segment by segment okay, sige. Cut ka dire. Muna itong x. And then muna itong moment. Usa man itong moment sige direta. Sige buta na to another point ni D. MAD. If you look at this, wala ni moment kinira, di ba? So you only have 67.5x. Okay. So for DB, cut ka, money mong x. Model ni siya yung moment. Okay, so wala ni mga moment ni doha, di ba? So you only have 67.5 and 60. So MDB is equal to 67.5x minus 60 this distance, that's x minus 2.5 man okay, siyempre naman sa tunga middle man siya, and then 5 man so 2.5 ni 2.5. So simplify, you have 7.5x plus 60 times 2.5 is 150. And then for BC, cut ka, dili ta mag-refer sa C, di atong x, niya mo niya itong moment. So, MBC is equal to 87.5x minus kini 20. Okay, 20x times x over 2, that's minus 10x squared. Okay, sige. Letter A, vertical deflection at C. So vertical deflection at B. So mag-apply tayo diri og unit load. 1. Diba? So, what are the reactions? Reaction. Sa after moment sa A, kuha na to na eh. Sige. Negative 1 times 3 plus reaction times 8 equal to 0. Shift solve 0.375. So therefore kine 1 minus answer, it's 0.625. Okay. And then resolve na sad. Same lang ni theta gyapon niya. Same na din theta. So it's a negative. This is point ano siya. So 0.625 times 0.6. Kini na 0.3, or shall we use fraction? 3 over 8, 5 over 8. So 3 over 8 na. Ini siya. While this one 0.625 times 0.8, 1/2. Okay. So naman kay D diha. So ini-cut ni mo dire, and then analyze X. Moment ni mo M ED 3 over 8 times X, no? Dayon MDB cut ka dire, then mo nitong X M same lang 3 over 8X. And then BC di ka mag-X MBC 3/8. Pareho lang 3/8X. Na second condition, rotation at B. So rotation at B, let's assume na counterclockwise, positive banda. Let's assume na, pero based ane dire down na, so posible let's assume clockwise na lang, posible ang B na diretso. Anyway, assumption naman 1.0. Okay, sige. And reaction, when you sum up moment at A, clockwise man so dapat counter na siya, so upward na. Upward. So 1 na 1 divided by 8, so 1 over 8 1 man, tapos maginanira ba? Negative 1 plus negative 1 plus alpha x times 8 equal to 0. So 0.125 or 1 over 8 man. So upward ni, downward ni 1 over 8. So resolve again into components. This is theta. Wala din siya yung component downward lang, and then kana. So that would be 1 over 8 times 0.6, 3 over 40. Yeah, 1 over 8 times 0.8, 1 over 10. So nadiri ang D. So cut X M cut X M and then cut X M. Sige, so MED. So for MED, kiniraman negative sa same direction man. So it's negative 3/40x. For DB, same lang, negative 3/40x. And for BC, it's 1/8 times x. And then third condition, horizontal displacement at C. So let's assume na right siya. Joint C will move to the right. .0. So naana ni horizontal component ni 1. Diba? Sige. Or vertical. So after moment sa A, this is clockwise, diba? So counter na upward. So negative 1 times distance 4 plus reaction times 8 equal to 0. So 0.5 or 1/2. So upward ni downward ni 1/2. Okay.
Tapos, shift 8. Anong ba ng shift 8? May asterisk. No? So, unsa dayon na command.
Okay. So, okay na. So, atong kaan og components. This is theta. Theta. 90 minus theta. Theta na ba? Okay. So, sige. 1/2, 0.5 times 0.6. 3/10 is that. And then 1/2 times 0.8. 2/5. Ana, well, this one dayon 0.6 na 3/5 and then kini 4/5. So mo total ni sila og 1. Tapos kini 4/5 plus 3/10 11/10. Bale ba? So opposite man day. 4/5 minus 3/10 1/2. So 1/2 na siya. Natay 1/2. Sobra nin duha. 3/5 minus 3/10 1/2. While kini ma-add sila duha 1. Mo ni atong gamiton dayon. So D. So cut X moment cut X moment cut moment. Okay. So MED wala ni moment. So you only have 1/2. 1/2 x
Now,
MDB 1/2 x sa hapon, and then MBC this one 1/2 x hapon. Okay, wala man. Okay na. So we are now ready to use virtual work na equation. Sige. Letter A, delta B. So for delta B, okay, sige. Integral na dili m times m, no? Constant na ng EI, after na ng EI. So we have 3/8 times 67.5x dx over EI from 0 to 2.5 plus kini 3/8 times 7.5x plus 150 dx over EI plus 3/8 times 87.5x minus 10x squared dx over EI 2.5 to 5 0 to 3 over 8x, and then vertical theta b sige. Integral of ini negative 3 over 40x times 67.5 from 0 to 2.5 plus negative 3 over 40x times 7.5x plus 150 from 2.5 to 5 plus x over 8 times 87.5x minus 10x squared over EI from 0 to 5. And then last, delta C horizontal, okay? Kini 1/2 or x over 2 times 67.5x 0 to 2.5 plus x over 2 tanan x over 2 times 7.5x plus 150 from 2.5 to 5 x over 2 times 87.5x 0 to Okay? So, ang unit ani is mm. Kilonewton meter cube. Ha? Kilonewton meter cube niya i-divide na to ang atong EI EI na to will be 200,000 times 500 times 10 raised to 6. So, ang magawas is Newton millimeter squared. Yan. Kailangan na ba? 200,000 times 500 exponent 6. 1 exponent 14. Okay. Sige. Integral of 3/8 alpha x times 67.5 alpha x from 0 to 2.5 plus into sorry. Integral of 3/8 alpha x times 67.5 alpha from 0 to 2.5 plus integral of 3/8 alpha x times 7.5x plus 150 from 2.5 to 5 plus integral of 3/8x times 87.5x minus 10x squared from 0 to 5. 1, 2. Okay. Ang unit ani is kilonewton meter cube. We are going to multiply this one by 1,000 raised to 4. From conversion, kilonewtons to newtons, 1,000, and then meters to millimeters, 1,000. Meter cube man. So, 4 tanan. And then, i-divide na to sa EI. Ang EI na to is 1 exponent 14. 1 exponent 14. Ano yung answer? 15.43 millimeters. Downward. Positive. Okay. Next, theta. Negative 3/40 alpha x times 67.5 from 0 to 2.5 plus negative 3/40. So negative 3/40x times 7.5x plus 150 from 2.5 to 5 plus x/8. So it's integral of x/8 times 87.5x minus 10x squared.
You can customize your own keyboard.
From 0 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Ang unit sa theta is kilonewton meter square. So, ang pag-convert na to, cube rin eh. Cube rin siya, no? Kilonewtons to newtons and then meter square. I-divide na to sa EI nga 1 exponent 14. Na siya. Or point exponent negative 3 0 0 1 0 8 radians. Since nag-positive ni, meaning ang atong gi-assume nga clockwise correct. So clockwise ni. You can also express your answer in degrees. And then last, integral sa x over 2 67.5x from 0 to 2.5 plus integral of x over 2 7.5x plus 150 2.5 to 5 plus x over 2 times 87.5 x minus 10 x squared close 0 to 5. And then since deflection is kilonewton meter cube, so 1000 raised to 4 divided by EI, that's 20.573 millimeters. Since positive man, so sakto atong yun, right? So mao ni ang answer sa problem number 2. Okay, so thank you for watching.